વખત કલ્યાણ જ્વેલર્સના પરિણામ આવતા દેખાઈ ચૂક્યા છે અને પરિણામ પર આપણી સાથે મેનેજમેન્ટ પણ વાત કરવા જોડાઈ રહ્યું છે. પરિણામ ઉપર એક વખત નજર કરી લો. માર્જિન્સ 1%થી વધીને ઓલમોસ્ટ 8% ઉપર આવતા દેખાયા છે. 136 કરોડ રૂપિયાના લોસથી સામે 68 કરોડ રૂપિયાનો પ્રોફિટ આવતો દેખાયો છે. રેવન્યુના ગ્રોથ જો તમે 61% સુધી આવતો જોવા મળી રહ્યો છે. તો આ આંકડાઓ હવે જે દેખાયા છે એના ઉપર વાત કરવા આપણી સાથે कल्याण ज्वेलर्स ना एग्जीक्यूटिव डायरेक्टर रमेश कल्याण रमन जोड़ाई रहा है. सर, स्वागत है सीएनबीसी बाजार में. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल बहुत ही बेहतरीन नंबर आते हुए दिखे हैं. कौन से फैक्टर रहे, कौन से रीजन रहे जहां से हम इस तरह के रेवेन्यू ग्रोथ को देख पाए हैं?
Thank you very much. The momentum in revenue and footfalls has been extremely positive. Q2 versus last Q2, we have grown by 61%, and the growth has been there in all the markets where we are, including Middle East. And when you compare with the pre-COVID financial year also, we have grown by around 52%. It is mainly because of the shift from unorganized to organized, and of course, we should give some merit to the pent-up demand. And if you look at our SSG, same-store sales growth, we have grown in the range of 52% when compared to the previous financial year, same quarter, and 40% when compared to the pre-COVID financial year. And the operating leverage have started stepping in. The OPEX percentage on revenue has improved year on year. The margins are improving quarter on quarter. And as we speak, Diwali is over and the momentum in revenue and footfalls are still continuing. And we are extremely positive for the current quarter and the quarters ahead.
ओके सर, जहाँ तक हम देखें आपके जो इस बार के जो मार्जिन है वहाँ पे एक अच्छा खासा एक्सपेंशन होता हुआ दिखा है. ये मार्जिन एक्सपेंशन कहाँ से आता हुआ दिखा है और विल इट सस्टेनेबल इन कमिंग क्वार्टर्स?
Yeah, so margin expansion is mainly because of the operating leverage which is stepping in, and the gross margins are also improving quarter on quarter. So it has to only improve in the coming quarters is what we feel. And the expansion is also in line. All the additional revenue which is going to come in will surely improve our bottom line, which again is going to improve our margins considerably.
ओके सर, इसके साथ एक चीज़ ये भी समझना चाहेंगे, आपका जो टोटल डेट है वो थोड़ा एलिवेटेड लेवल पे आता हुआ दिखा है. कौन से फैक्टर रहे, और साथ ही एक चीज़ ये भी बताएं कि आप कोई नए शोरूम प्लान कर रहे हैं इस साल में आने वाले क्वार्टर्स में, और इस क्वार्टर तक आपने कितने शोरूम्स अभी ओपन किए, कुछ डिटेल्स अगर शेयर कर पाए.
So gross debt are in the same level when compared to the previous quarter. And regarding expansion, as of now, we have opened 14 new showrooms in this financial year. The brand has 150 showrooms spread across India and Middle East. Regarding the debt, there is a change in the net debt because of the cash balance difference. And the gross debt are the same level.
ओके लास्टली सर, किस तरह का हम गाइडेंस एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं FY22 के अंत तक, क्योंकि अभी कोविड सिचुएशन से भी हम बाहर आ चुके हैं, सिचुएशन ऑलमोस्ट स्ट्रीमलाइन होती हुई दिख रही है, और आगे जाके शादियों का सीज़न भी आ रहा है. तो किस तरह से एंटिसिपेट कर सकते हैं ओवरऑल रेवेन्यू ग्रोथ के ऊपर और मार्जिन ग्रोथ के ऊपर हम कल्याण ज्वेलर्स को?
People have adapted to the new normal, and we are seeing the amount of time spent by customers in the showrooms are also back to normal. The wedding related revenue, the quotient of wedding related revenues again back to pre-COVID levels. Demand momentum continues to be very healthy, and we are excited for the current quarter and also for the future quarters, and the momentum is still continuing. But it's not fair to expect 50-60% growth for all the quarters ahead, because we are already started to be on a bigger base when compared to the previous quarter.
ओके सर, एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन रहेगा. जिस तरह से अभी हम करंट सिनेरियो देख रहे हैं, ओवरऑल गोल्ड प्राइसेस भी बढ़े हैं, और इसके साथ साथ हम देखें तो धीरे धीरे अभी एक्सपोर्ट मार्केट भी ओपन हो रहा है. तो किस तरह से आप यहाँ पे सिचुएशन देख रहे हैं? क्या आगे जाके यहाँ पे गोल्ड प्राइसेस और भी एलिवेटेड लेवल पे रहने की हम उम्मीद रख सकते हैं, या फिर ये इसका कोई इतना बड़ा फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा अभी जिस तरह से हम पेंट अप डिमांड देख रहे हैं उसके चलते?
So first of all, as a company, we don't have any direct impact with the gold prices because our margins are not related to gold prices. Our revenue is also not related because customer usually comes with a budget, but customer sentiments only improve when the gold price go up, because the product which is there in their hand, when the price is going up, they are very happy for that. But there are customers who wait for the prices to come down also when the prices are going ahead of what they really want. So as a brand, as a company, it is not having a direct impact on margins or revenue when it comes to gold prices.